Hear that. Alright y'all, what's up man? It's your boy Jew, back again with another video. As you can see man, hey, I'm in my little setup. Guess you can say my little office area. Alright, so as you can see by the title, this is a barber starter kit for the ones who want to start cutting their own hair. Or just want to learn, you know, just want to learn, want to start cutting their own hair. I'm going to help y'all out. I'm going to show you what I learned or what I did for my first time. So yeah, so bear with me now. Once again, let me let y'all know I'm not a professional. I mean, I'm good at cutting my hair. I'm good at cutting hair, but I want to get to a point where it's like I'm professional style. Yeah, I didn't go to school for this. I'm self-taught. Everything that I learned, I really learned from either YouTube or I just learned from messing up. Learn from messing up, learn from my mistakes. So I'm just trying to teach y'all what type of stuff, like what type of tools you need for your starter kit, what type of clippers, all that stuff. So I made a list for y'all. So before I continue, would y'all do me a favor and like, share, comment, subscribe? So I took my time to go through the stuff, just go through the list and pricing and stuff like that. I'm also, once I go through the list, I'm gonna show y'all the pictures on the side so y'all can know what exactly to get and how much it is exactly, and yeah. So as you can see, yeah, so like, share, comment, subscribe to Jew Cuts. And yeah, we on the rise, man. We on the rise, man. I'm just here to help. Just here to help. Help me help you. Click that subscribe button, like, hit that the bell, you know, you feel me? And let's go. Let's help each other out. First on my list, I made a list. It's called the Jew Cuts Barber Starter Kit. Alright, so first things first, the first thing I say get is of course you want to get a trimmers. Most of y'all be like, what kind of trimmers you use, what, you know what I'm saying, what kind of trimmer, how much, where'd you get them from? So the first trimmer I started using, or the one I suggest, is it's called a Wahl's trimmers detailers, Wahl trimmer detailers. You can get them from Amazon for $65.99. I put the picture like right here, y'all can see that. And I'm also put the link in the description below, that way it'll just take you right there to the website. If you don't want to get it from Amazon, you can get it from your local beauty supply store, they have them there. But me, I'd rather just get them from Amazon, that way I know exactly what I got. Sometimes beauty supply stores don't have them. They might not have what you want, but yeah. So you can get the Wahl detailers. These at the T-blade, I suggest get the T-blade. The T-blade works good with the corners, and yeah, they're good, man. Just boom. All right, the second one, if you don't like Wahl, you can do another alternate, which is the Andis T outliners. These are the cord ones. If you want to get the cordless ones, you can. I'm gonna get the cordless ones, but these are the cord ones. The Andis T outliners. You also get that from Amazon. This is going for $59.94. This is before like tax and delivery fees, but this is like the price, $59.94. So you're probably gonna be spending about 60 something. Called Andis Professional T Outliners. Get you that. All right. These also a good clipper. I use these. I modify mine. If you want to modify yours, I suggest you take your time and be careful, because you can mess them up. And yeah, unless you got money like that to rebuy them, then you do what you want. Next is the clippers. You can get the Wahl clippers. I like these clippers. I used them before. I used Wahl clippers before. I got some, I just ain't never opened it because I ain't got no guards for them, but once I get guards for them, I will use them. Yeah, you can get these at Amazon. They are $58.89. Yeah, and I'm also do a video to show you how to zero gap your clippers, because they gonna come, like when you get your clippers and your trimmers, they gonna come not zero gap. So you gotta zero gap them, that way they can hit hard, they can hit, you know what I'm saying, they can be that line. Feel me? Alright, next on the list, you got the Clippercide. This is the Clippercide spray. This is how you clean the clippers. You gotta clean your clippers every time you use them, before and after. Clippercide, this one in particular I like using myself. You can get this from you can get it from Amazon, but me, they got them at the beauty supply store. It's only, but I forgot how much it is. Hold on. It don't need that much. Probably like $7. Oh, 11. It says 11 on Amazon, but it's probably a little bit cheaper in person. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know, it might be the same, but yeah, you can get this. This actually works good. It's versatile. You can use them in clippers. I know some Clippercide used for specific brands, but these in general, you can use them for any brand. It'll tell you on the can. Just read carefully and you'll know. Follow instructions. But yeah, get you some Clippercide, y'all. Next, of course, you got to get the rubbing alcohol, man. Get your rubbing alcohol. If you ain't got the alcohol, man, what you doing? You gonna get them bumps. You don't want them bumps, man. So get your rubbing alcohol, man. Rubbing alcohol. I suggest either the 70 or above, 70% or above. If it ain't that 70 or above, don't get it, man. You need that thing to burn. If it ain't burning, it ain't working. You feel me? All right, so you got your alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Next on the list is clipper brush. You gotta get them little clipper brush to clean the hair out the blades, man. So these, it's a 6-piece barber clipping brush you can get off Amazon, or you can just go to the beauty supply store. It don't matter what you get, just make sure you get a little small brush to get the hair out, and you good to go. Next on the list we have a small fading brush. So basically just get like a little small brush to use to fade, to brush your hair down. You gonna need it, trust me, it works. Just a little small. It ain't gotta be, the bristles ain't gotta be too hard. It can be like a medium. But yeah, make sure you get your small fading brush, you feel me? Definitely gonna need that. Next on the list is a comb. You're gonna need a comb for fading. So you need a comb. You can either get a skinny one, you can get, matter of fact, you can get the skinny one and the big one. The big one you can use for like trimming the bulk off your hair, but the skinny one you can just use that to fade too as well. Okay, so you got your comb. Alright, next on the list is Spritz. Spritz, you gotta get the Spritz. Me personally, I like the olive oil Spritz, this one right here, because it smells good. So once you spray it on, it holds. Get your Spritz, it smell good, smell like some olive oil, and then once you finish your cut, you know what I'm saying, you clean and then you smelling good, and then sometimes you walk and you get a little whiff of that olive oil, be like, thank you, smelling good. Next on the list, you get your cocoa butter, the lotion. This is just me in particular. Like me, after I cut my hair, after I apply all the alcohol and my shit burning and my face ashy, get your cocoa butter. It'll soothe your skin. It'll soothe that burning sensation, and it's like it'll heal all the burning down. Like it'll heal your skin. It'll make your skin shiny. So make sure you get your cocoa butter, man, and Vaseline, bro. That's when you apply everything. After you apply your alcohol and all that, just rub it down, rub your face down with some cocoa butter, just to smooth that skin. Some skin might be irritated, so sometimes my skin get irritated, so after I have like be applying razors to my skin, I just have to alcohol it up, let it burn, take some cocoa butter, smooth it down, good to go. Boom. And then you smelling good too, so killing two birds with one stone. Alright, next we got, this necessary you don't have to get, but if you want, you can get like the Heron Hat, the enhancements for like the hairline and stuff. Usually I don't have this brand, but I want the brand. I'm gonna get this brand, the Topic, where it come with the little thing, cause I like that more than the one I got. That shit ain't really hitting on nothing for real. It's like I can't control it the way I want to. Sometimes it spray this way, sometimes it spray that way. I need something to know where it's spraying, that way I can hit the spots I need to hit. But yeah, just you can get the Topic, that specific brand, that one I suggest. It's not gonna cost you but like $20-something. You can get it from Amazon or once again your local beauty supply store. Next is a Barber Cape. If you planning on cutting somebody's hair besides yours, get your Barber Cape. That way you ain't gotta use no towel. That way you ain't got the hair on your clients or your customers. Get your Barber Cape and yeah, you'll look more professional, man. That's it. And I'm talking to myself too. I need to get a Barber Cape too. I still have yet to get one, so gotta put that on my list. Get the Barber Cape. Next is the neck duster. Gotta get the neck duster. Put it right here. Like I said, get it from Amazon or local beauty supply store. Yeah, just wanna get all that hair off. When you finish your client, dust the hair off, boom, good to go, man. Gotta have it with you. Next, you gotta have confidence, man. If you starting out, man, I understand it's new and everything, you scared. Just relax, have that confidence like you already been cutting hair, man. Just have that confidence, bro. You just gotta have that confidence. Even if you ain't cut hair before, just have that confidence. Cause once you can psych yourself out, you can make yourself believe you've been cutting hair. So if you believe you've been cutting hair, it'll show. Trust me, I done it before. Gots to have that confidence, man. Gots to have that confidence. Oh yeah, be patient too. Patience, you also gonna need patience. Starting out, you gonna need that patience. You gonna need patience for sure, man. Patience is key, man. It's key to everything, key to life, man. Be patient, man. And last but not least, man, just practice, bro. You your own test dummy. You practice on yourself, man. Shoot, that's how I started. I practice on myself. Of course, like when you starting out, people ain't gonna want to practice. People ain't gonna want you to practice on them. So you have to practice on yourself. You gotta use yourself as a test dummy. Do it. You may mess up, but just learn from the mistakes and keep going. Yeah, I messed up a couple times. That's why I got this hat sometimes, man. I mean, yeah, I don't mess up now. But back then, I used to mess up. So if you mess up, just throw in a little hat. Boom, you good till it grow back. Start over and keep going. That's why I say be patient, so that way you don't mess up. Be patient, that way you don't mess up. And you don't have to wear no hat. You can be good to go. But yeah, just be patient, have that confidence, and just practice, man. Practice make perfect. And yeah, man, that's really all the list I really got. If y'all can think of something else, if I missed something, let me know in the comments. Oh damn, my ear itch. Yeah, if I missed something, let me know in the comments, man. Once again, I'm just a self-taught barber. I don't go to the barber shop. Some of y'all may be like, Drew, you need to go to, but well, guess what? I don't need to do nothing. I love cutting my own hair. Cause if I mess up, I can't be mad at nobody. I can't be mad at nobody but myself. But if somebody else mess up and I paid for it, then what? I took an L. That's 2 L's. My hair fucked up and then I paid for it. At least if I messed myself up, I took 1 L. But hey, man, it's not even an L, man. It's just a learning lesson. That's it. But yeah. So those are the tools that you'll need to start off as a barber or just cutting your own hair. And I hope y'all liked the video. If you made it this far, let me know you made it this far. Comment Jew cuts if you made it toward the end. Also, I be needing help too. So if you got any tips for me, I listen. I read the comments. I listen. If you got any tips, like some real barber tips, let me know in the comments, man. I swear I'm gonna apply it. And appreciate the ones that do give me tips. I thank y'all. Y'all know who the ones y'all are. The ones that do give me tips, appreciate y'all. Cause like I said, I'm still learning. Some of these YouTube videos don't be really explaining shit, so I just have to learn off experience. But yeah, man, if you got tips, bro, let me know, bro. I'll be open ears, man. Open ears, man. Other than that, man, yeah, man, I fuck with y'all. Love y'all. Jew Cuts family, bro. We on the rise, bro. Yeah, let's go ahead and do this. And yeah, man, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, bro. It's your boy Jew Cuts, and we out.